Molapo uqothwe izolo ngombana batsho utshade nelunga laphambilini le-ActionSA ne-DA uAbel Tawu naye uqothiweko ku-ActionSA. Phezu kwencwadi eqotha Molapo, i-ActionSA isola Molapo ngokudluliselana noTawu ilwazi eliqhakathekileko neliyifihlo. Nanyana kunjalo, inhlangano ezinye ezifana ne-ANC ne-EFF zilila ngokuthi batsho Molapo wenziwa nje ngombana umuntu wengubo begodu bafuna buyiselwe.
We are not happy as the EFF. You know, the Constitution is supposed to protect all the councillors. You've got Schedule 3 that also speaks to the veil of secrecy. So a councillor that votes on the booth alone should not be subjected to lie detector tests, which, by the way, she has already passed. But for some reason, she's still being paged now beyond the lie detector issue. Now she's paged because she's in a relationship, or is alleged to have been in a relationship with an ex-member of the ActionSA and DA.
Ikhansela le-ActionSA liqothiwekweli lizokalisa amazizo walo belatsho nokuthi batsho kwakhathesi lifuna iseluleko sezomthetho ngombana liqothwe ngokungemthetho nangaphandle kokuthi liphase inhlahlubo zokuhlola amala ngeveke epheleleko.
After receiving that letter, I then spoke to my lawyers, and then they launched an urgent court application. So what you are seeing happening today is because my lawyers are still busy with the matter in court.
Phambilini nahlanje idorobha eliphakamise igama likakhulufelo Morodi we-ActionSA njengokhetha nokuba nguSpika, kanti i-ActionSA ithe batsho iyasekela isiqundu esikodwana inhlangano ezinye zepolitiki akhenge zivumelane nalokho.
All parties have agreed to support ActionSA's councillor Khulufelo Morodi. She is currently the chairperson of the MPAC committee, doing very important work in investigating wrongdoing in the city of Tshwane. And ultimately, we believe she is the right blend of skills and youth that will bring stability to this council and oversight to the services in this municipality.
Isitjhaba sisalindile nanje ukuthi ngubani ozokuthatha isikhundlesi. Isikhundlesi bese sivulekile ukusuka ngenyanga epheleleko kulandela ukususwa kwaDokotela uMorungwa Mokwarela ngemva kokukhethwa njengemeyara yeTshwane. Makarela ubuye wasuswa njengemeyara ngemva kokuthi abhalelwe ukuveza ubufakazi obutshoko ukuthi akanawo umraro wemali. I-ACDP ithi ukuriyada kokukhetha kwakaspika nerarawo yedorobheli semariyadla nawokukhambisa isikhathi.
It's just a normal play in council. It's a question of time, to delay time for some to come so that they are able to be in their numbers. Sometimes what you see is not really what you get. The reality is that some of these altercations are personal matters, but actually they're just delaying tactics.
Ukuphuma kwakamakwarela kuvule inkhundla embili eziphezulu kwachiya nezakhamuzi ebaleni njengombana kuliyeka izenzelwa zomphakathi ngokuriyada nokudosana kwabosopolitiki nje.